In your globe ceiling fan box, you will find the fan motor housing, the remote control, mounting accessories, and your instruction sheet. To install your ceiling fan, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. To get started, remove the 2 canopy screws and set them aside momentarily. Then, rotate the bracket to release it from the motor housing. Next, remove and discard the protective foam piece. Your fan is now ready to be mounted. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Using your junction box's pre-existing screws, secure the included mounting bracket to your ceiling's junction box. Slide the S-hook into one of the free mounting bracket openings. Then, lift the fan to the ceiling and slide the S-hook through the empty screw hole on the canopy. Let the fan hang in place. Insert the hot black wire from the junction box into the quick connect clip on the black wire from the fan. And insert the neutral white wire from the junction box into the quick connect clip on the white wire from the fan. Finally, connect the junction box's ground wires and the 2 ground wires from the fan together using the wire nut. Raise the fan and remove the S-hook. Lift the fan and tuck the wires into the canopy. Then align the 2 keyholes on the fan's canopy with the 2 remaining screws on the mounting bracket. Rotate clockwise to lock the fan in place. Reinstall the 2 previously removed canopy screws. Then tighten all 4 screws to properly secure the fan. Install the remote's backplate to the wall using the included screws, then mount the remote to the magnetic plate. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Turn the switch on. You can now control your ceiling fan from anywhere in the room using the wireless remote. To turn both the fan and light on and off simultaneously, press the globe logo button at the top of your wireless remote. To only turn the fan on or off, press the fan button in the middle of your remote. Once on, you can control the fan's speed by pressing the numbered buttons. For directional control, press the relevant arrow buttons. To push cool air down, press the button with the 3 arrows down graphic on the left. To circulate warm air, press the button with the 3 arrows up graphic on the right. To individually turn the fan's light on or off, press the bulb button located in the lower half of the remote. Once on, you can increase or decrease the light's brightness using the up and down arrow buttons. Use the 2 up and down sun buttons to cycle through the 6 available white lighting options. Select the light you need, whenever you need it, with Globe's Ambience select. Globe, the creative energy company.